Good evening. The self-study guide number 4. For self-study guide number 4, we have 5 main objectives. I recommend that you read the objectives so you know what is the main purpose of this unit. So the main purpose is practice reading comprehension, to practice pronunciation of regular verbs, ed ending, t, id, d, and also to review past tense structures, and also to people, and to learn some common idiomatic expressions. So the topics for this self-study guide are the reading comprehension, 3 questions to assess your existing agritourism business, past tense review of regular and irregular verb, reflect on what elements we need to think and to comment why it's important to plan step by step an agritourism entrepreneurship, and to learn some technical terms related to managing agritourism entrepreneurship. So that's why read. So the first activity of this self-study guide will be a reading comprehension. So you have to read the reading 3 questions to assess your existing agritourism business from page 12 to 17. And then you're going to answer the questions for discussion. Okay, it's important that you not only give short answer. There are some question that ask why, and there you are going to give reason why you give those answers to the question. The last one, the next part, is pronunciation practice. We have practiced these sounds in our phonetic class, but this time you are going to practice more the sounds. So here we're going to practice the id sound, t sound, and d sound. So you have to practice the sound repeating the verbs that you have there. Remember that it's really important to practice the ed ending of the verb so we improve or better our pronunciation all the time, which is very, very important. The next is a grammar review. You already know, you have studied grammar, you have studied simple past structure. This is just for you to remember, okay, how to use simple past structure. Okay, so there are some charts that I want you to check, analyze, so you remember every single thing that we have studied before you continue with other exercises in this study guide. After you check the grammar review, you are going to practice. So you need to read again the reading 3 questions to assess your existing agritourism business, and you are going to find 6 sentences. The next exercise is vocabulary. So you're going to learn common idiomatic expression. Right there you have a number of idiomatic expression that you need to memorize. Right there you have the meaning and an example how to use them in context. So after you memorize and check the example, you're going to write your own example. 1 sentence with each idiomatic expression. That's what you're going to write down. The last part is a speaking activity. So you have 2 activities in there. In number 1, you are going to write down a story about a trip to an ecotourism place or farm that you had visited. And you're going to use those verbs that you have there using past tense. Okay, and number 2, you are going to write a dialogue. Okay, so if you haven't visited the place, just write about any other farm. Okay, so there you have an example how you can start your conversation. And when you come next week, we're going to practice that and you're going to present it in the class. Okay, thank you for all the exercises that you're gonna be working on this week, and see you next week in the classroom. Thank you, guys. Bye bye and have a good night.